Gender dysphoria is a term that describes a sense of unease that a person may have because of a mismatch between their biological sex and their gender identity. A feeling of dissatisfaction or discomfort with your biological gender and the gender roles you are expected to fit into the society is referred to as dysphoria. Gender dysphoria treatment plan is intended to assist you in coping with or overcoming your gender dysphoria experience. It could include several kinds of individuals or group therapy. Your identity will not be altered by this procedure. It has many objectives and results you might not anticipate. You would typically use a treatment plan for gender dysphoria when an individual is experiencing persistent gender dysphoria, a desire for hormone therapy, a need for surgical intervention, psychological support, affirming social transitions, and co-occurring mental health conditions. Mental health professionals who can use our printable gender dysphoria treatment plan are licensed clinical social workers, licensed professional counselors, clinical psychologists, psychiatrists, gender therapists, school counselors, and marriage and family therapists. To use our gender dysphoria treatment plan, follow these steps. Download the gender dysphoria treatment plan off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Fill out the patient's details in the assessment as shown on the screen. Next, fill out the treatment plan section of the form. Create a detailed plan which includes goals and interventions. Lastly, decide on a timeline with the patient to decide how these interventions will be implemented. Here is a sample of our gender dysphoria treatment plan, which you can find in our Carepatron platform. To find our gender dysphoria treatment plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.